everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. Today we're going to be testing out a fun product, and when I say fun, I mean different, unusual, something I've never tried before, could go hideously wrong, and I could end up walking around like I've got slugs on my face for the next couple of days. But this is the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Long Lasting Tint. Now, I managed to get my hands on this in the Style Awards beauty boxes that came out last month from Latest in Beauty, and I think these are usually like $12.99, something like that. Yeah, I'm a bit nervous, I must admit. I am a little bit nervous. I don't know whether or not this is going to be the type of product that I would normally use. Normally I just use a brow pomade and just fill them in, and then I'm like good to go. And I do tend to like warm them up slightly because they are very, very like black, dark, not very much going on. So I do tend to use a slightly warmer colour on them. I'm hoping this doesn't just look like I've got red eyebrows, that's all I'm going to say. So I'm just going to read you what it says up on the packaging. The packaging, by the way, is super duper tiny writing on the back. So it just says, wake up to evenly filled brows. Our first peel off brow that lasts up to 3 days. No touch up was required. So I shouldn't have to do my brows for 3 days. Okay. So how do you use it? What does it say? Step 1. Apply to desired brow shape. Okay. Let dry for 20 minutes. Okay. And then peel off from inner to outer brow. Okay, so let's paint this on and see what happens. I mean, worst case scenario, I've got shitty brows for the next 3 days. You know, it's not the end of the world. Nobody's died. Let's just see how this goes. Okay, so I'm just getting a mirror ready for me to do this because I feel the pressure like so bad. This is intense, I tell you. I'm gonna pop that there. Okay. Fingers crossed this doesn't go hideously. Oh, okay, it's like a little paintbrush actually. There we go. It looks very dark. Just gonna wipe some of this away. I don't go in too heavy. It's like a thick tarry consistency. I don't know how like thick you're meant to paint this on either. I'm guessing quite thickly because you want to be able to peel it off, don't you? And I'm just going to really take my time because I don't want to end up with weird shaped brows. I wonder how many goes you can get out of this like pot. Okay, so that's one, I guess. I really hope it's not this dark, because that would look friggin' ridiculous. I'd look like a friggin' Barbie. Oh dear. Okay, so it's on. We're just gonna have to now wait 20 minutes and yeah, see what happens. Hopefully it'll be brow amazing. Oh, there we go. So we're gonna peel this off. It says to start from the inside out. Ew. It's like, I don't know, like rubber. Oh, my cat's causing chaos. Okay, they're definitely darker, but they're more like the colour that I normally colour them, which is good. Okay, this is like messy, like not in a good way. Because like my brows are like quite long, they're like not like short hairs. It's like stuck to all the individual hairs and you're having to like pull it out. Oh, look at that, that's snazzy. Oh, I'm well happy with that. That's amazing. Like, I don't feel like I need to do my brows like any more than that, really. Like, I feel like I would want to out of like habit, but actually like the colour, the depth of tone, yeah, everything is just on point. Yeah. Very happy with that. So if you only had to do that every 3 days, that's pretty not bad going. I mean, it is a little bit of a faff, but you know, you could do it while you're in the bath or something like that. I think obviously, I don't know, like, I don't know if I would use it like all the time. I think like maybe if you like going away on holiday or something like that and you actually wanted to like take less stuff with you, maybe then I would use it. I do like the effect it's given because it's still quite natural, but you can tell like my brows are like done. So I don't know, like I think I'm just gonna have to see how I get on with it and try it, like whether or not I like reach for it to use it again, I'm not sure. Just because I do really like the process of doing my brows every day. However, sometimes you can get like cakey brow, you know, like where you're putting your product in and like you get a little bit and then you're going over it and over it, or your hand slips. You know, this does eliminate that, I guess, in some ways, because you are just, you know, like filling in the gap, kind of giving them more of a final finish. However, the only thing I was going to say is that you can't then like change it up. So like if you wanted to give yourself a bit of a thicker brow one day or something like that, you know, you are a bit limited. But it is only for 3 days, it's only temporary. So, you know, like I said, I think, you know, if you were going away or, you know, something like that, it would definitely be quite handy to do this rather than taking like a brow pomade and then a gel or a wax or what have you. So yeah, I think good product. I'm very happy with that. So guys, let me know how you do your brows. What products do you use? Have you tried using a brow tint and what did you think of it? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and give this video a thumbs up. Push that notification button for the next upload and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye.